Hey everyone, I'm Mimi, and today we're going on a super fun food adventure. We're making something extra special, spaghetti and meatballs. This dish has a big history, and it's super yummy. Ready? Let's go. First, we start with the meatballs. We need ground beef, breadcrumbs, eggs, and some secret spices. Mix them all together in a big bowl. It's sticky and squishy like Play-Doh. Now we roll them into little balls. Look, they're like mini planets. Make them nice and round. Perfect! Next, we cook the meatballs in a pan. Hear that sizzle? That means they're getting all crispy and brown. Smells amazing. While the meatballs cook, let's make our sauce. We need tomatoes, garlic, onions, and basil. Chop, chop, chop. Be careful with the knife. Always ask for help from a grown-up. Into the pot they go. Stir it all up. Watch it bubble and pop. Now for the pasta. Boil some water and add a pinch of salt. In goes the spaghetti. It's like a bunch of wiggly worms. Cook until it's soft but not too mushy. Everything's nearly ready. Meatballs are done, sauce is perfect, and spaghetti is ready to go. Time to put it all together. First, a swirl of spaghetti on the plate. Add a few meatballs on top. Pour some yummy sauce over everything. And don't forget the cheese. Sprinkle, 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 ta-da! Our spaghetti and meatballs are ready. It looks so good, I can't wait to taste it. Yum! The meatballs are juicy, the sauce is tangy, and the pasta is perfect. This is the best meal ever. Thanks for joining me on this food adventure. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye.